The pass though was poked loose by AJ Coronel. Reverente able to hang time inside for the basket. And that was certainly a morale-boosting victory para dito sa Davao Occidental as AJ Coronel scores under. He's the one who's pushing it right now. Sanko sidestep using his offhand. Oh, how about that? Mark Sanko high. 8 on the shot clock. Salenga fires from free. It's good. And a 4-point play opportunity.
Pero Minian went under the screen, and as soon as Salenga received the basketball,
Sara stops on the time and pulls up for that mid-range jumper. Finish.
medyo naipit sa gilid doon si Escobedo. I think Bonleon had to clear out a bit for him to have more
Pasang
space.
yun. And Rios able to save it. Chavez pulls the trigger. It's good.
Missed the first time. The hustle leading to this three-point shot by J.R. Chavez.
Navigating through that screen. Cyrus Tabi tries a three and gets it to go.
A hand in
He
the
lost
face.
it. In transition, Pasay. Chavez swoops in for the layup. Chavez.
Here off the screen from Warren Bonifacio. Got Tabi open on the right flank. And the tap here leading to this 3-on-2 fast break advantage. Pasay Voyagers, and the finish right there making.
Cyrus Tabi launches and buries that three. J.R. Chavez. Man, the threes have been falling.
Wala talaga na player eh.
Man, the activity of these two guys, Cyrus Tabi and J.R. Chavez. Tabi completes the three-point play. Boni. Chavez for free. Oh my goodness. J.R. Chavez and Cyrus Tabi was putting on the move here in the third quarter. Mark Sanko blows the layup. But right there for the stick back is Warren Bonifacio.
Because their main man, Bonifacio, only scoring his first 2 points, and yet they still are.
Again, trying to ward off Salubre. Salenga inside. Soriano there for the stick back. He is just relentless. Cyrus Tabi. Kanina pa na ipagbanggaan si Soriano sa ilalim, but that left Sanko open. Rejection from J.R. Chavez. Tabi putting on the moves. Pull-up jumper is good! Seconds remaining. Tabi rejecting the ball screen. Pass inside in traffic. Bonifacio just willing that one through.
Kept his composure and made that difficult pocket pass to Bonifacio. Oh!
Oh!
Oh my goodness!
Dan Sara whips a pass to Salenga. Toby Agustin tries a three. It's good.
Everybody.
That's why he was warned for that exact reason. Oh, Hilario nailing it. Bonifacio. Kick out. Sara. Tabi for free. Yes! Actually a long two.
Shots like this. Tabi rising up in rhythm, catch and shoot. On the other side.
11 points.
Comia.
Second guy in double figures with 11. Oh, Mark Sanko.